Ways to improve iPhone performance. 1. Regular software updates. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on General. Step 3. Tap on Software Update. Step 4. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and is sufficiently charged. 2. Managing storage efficiently. Step 1. Open Settings and go to General. Step 2. Tap on iPhone storage. Here, you'll see a breakdown of what's taking up space. Step 3. Uninstall apps you don't use by tapping on them and then selecting Delete App. Step 4. Regularly clear your browser cache and delete old messages or large attachments. 3. Maintaining battery health. Step 1. Open Settings and go to Battery. Step 2. Tap on Battery Health. Step 3. Here, you can see your battery's maximum capacity and its peak performance capability. Step 4. Use optimized battery charging to prolong your battery's lifespan. This can be enabled in Battery Health. 4. Using original accessories. Step 1. Always use Apple-certified charging cables and adapters. This ensures safe and efficient charging. Step 2. Avoid cheap, uncertified accessories as they can damage your iPhone. 5. Protecting the device physically. Step 1. Use a good quality case to protect your iPhone from drops and scratches. Step 2. Apply a screen protector to avoid scratches and cracks on the screen. Step 3. Avoid exposing your iPhone to extreme temperatures, both hot and cold. Step 4. Keep your iPhone away from water and other liquids unless it's water resistant. Regularly clean your iPhone with a soft, lint-free cloth. Avoid overcharging your iPhone. It's best to charge it up to 80% and not let it drop below 20% too often. Use features like background app refresh and location services judiciously to save battery life. Following these steps diligently will help in maintaining your iPhone's performance and prolong its life. Please click the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.